let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall.
Welcome to today's meditation, where we'll be focusing our energy on acknowledging our value. This would be a great time to maybe light some Palo Santo if you have any. If you do not and you would like to purchase, please shop our website at www.thevibcollection.com. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position, either on the floor or in a chair. Close your eyes gently and take a few breaths, allowing your body to relax with each exhale. Let go of any tension you may be holding on and allow yourself to fully arrive in this moment. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the sensation of the breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest and your abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Allow your breath to anchor you in the present moment, letting go of any thoughts or distractions. Take a moment to scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. With each breath, imagine sending relaxation and warmth to those areas, allowing them to soften and release. Remember that your body is a vessel of strength and resilience, worthy of love and care. As you continue to breathe deeply, set an intention for this meditation. Today, we will focus on acknowledging and honoring your inherent value as a dope, authentic, and unique individual who is worthy of an amazingly high vibrational life. Allow yourself to open up to this intention with an open heart and mind. Repeat the following affirmations, silently or loudly. I am worthy of love and respect. I honor my worth and value as a person. I am enough just as I am. I deserve to live a life filled with joy and fulfillment. Allow these words to sink into your subconscious mind, reinforcing your belief in your own worthiness and value. Repeat again. I am worthy of love and respect. I honor my worth and value as a person. I am enough just as I am. I deserve to live a life filled with joy and fulfillment. Take a moment here to express gratitude for yourself, starting with the small accomplishment of showing up today, to all the ways you've contributed to the world around you, whether big or small. Give thanks for your unique gifts and talents, and for the love and support you receive from others. Now let's take a moment of silence to simply be with ourselves and our thoughts. Allow any emotions to arise to the surface without judgment or resistance. Trust that you are exactly who you are supposed to be in this moment, and that you are worthy of all the love and abundance the universe has to offer, even in the process of becoming more aligned. Thank yourself for taking this time to honor your worth and value. Carry this sense of knowing who you are, your value, and your acceptance of what you're able to bring throughout the day. Knowing that you are deserving of all blessings life has to offer. As we bring this meditation to a close, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Bring awareness back to your physical body. Take one final deep breath, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhaling fully through the mouth. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Namaste. Sincere gratitude for joining me today in this meditation. Please like, share, and subscribe. And last but not least, don't forget to love yourself, protect your energy, and deal with life's bullshit with grace and gratitude.
But sometimes you fall. You're